Uh, in this video, I am going to guide you how you can download the Firmware file for your Samsung device, Galaxy Tab S11 5G. So, what you can do with the Firmware file, you are seeing my comment screen and my mobile screen as well. And here my users asking that how can I unlock bootloader. So he is asking the bootloader unlock options. Okay, no problem. I will make another guideline for my person CH user and Vishal Yadav asking me to make a guideline for him on the M10s device. So for my Vishal Yadav, I will make another video for you. For now, I put select a topic that Galaxy S21. Okay, I would like to open the Samsung Odin software and Samsung USB drivers and now I am using the laptop and you need to connect your smartphone with the laptop using the data cable. So you are seeing and I will download the file from the Firmware website and from here I will easily download the file, but I don't know the accurate file which file I should download. So first of all I would like to enable the bootloader, unlock the OEM and enable the USB debugging option in the Samsung device. So you are seeing the Samsung device screen on the video and I am in the Samsung and I am using the Galaxy S13 smartphone. That is why I will not allow you to use the same device, but the guideline I am making for the Galaxy Tab, and you can understand the guideline easily and follow up my guidelines and make sure you are doing the same step on your laptop and the smartphone. Now go to the about phone and the software informations. Okay, here you are seeing the build number. I will follow up the build number up to 7 times top up, you can say. Now I am doing. Now it is asking a password I put. Now developer mode has been enabled. Now I would like to go back and you are seeing the developer option on the smartphone device. Okay, here I will follow the OEM unlock debugging. You are seeing USB debugging option and OEM unlocking option. I will follow this. Okay, it will help you to do more function. You will able to use them. Allow OEM unlocking. Okay, I will now USB debugging. I am allowing. That's all from the smartphone device. Now we need to download the firmware file that is a correct firmware file for your device. It is very important and I got one trick that I will show you. You should go to the check IMI number in the Sampo website and my guideline on the Samsung Galaxy S11 tab. So I will show you the method to get the accurate firmware file to save your time and mine as well. Okay, I already opened the Odin software. Now here I will put my smartphone Samsung device IMI number to get the accurate firmware file. Currently, I am using the file smartphone 73507685902350055. Okay, that's all. Check information and firmware. It will give you the your smartphone data, region, model name, country, date, warranty. You can check your smartphone warranty as well. Device age. Okay, here you are seeing download Premiere file, download file with your region that I will follow, and you can easily unlock or remove FRP for your phone now. Unlock FRP for your phone now. You can choose this option. Okay, now my topic is to get the accurate Premiere file for you. You can see now how will you make your Premiere file? Like here are also a lot of the file, and also here are a lot of the file. So go to the smartphone, about phone, then software information, and you should read your build number last four digit. Okay, I am reading, you should do same with me. My last digit of the build number are EZB2. Okay, you can see EZB2. This is the accurate firmware file for my Samsung Galaxy A13. So you can match your build number and get the accurate file. I will follow this. You can do the same with me. Like if your build number match with this, you can do. Okay. Now download Samfa server. You can download the file size. You can see 19 GB file size. Okay. From here, I will just follow download one file because my internet speed is not well. That is why I will not waste your time. Okay, file is of showing me to click here. If you are doing this, you need to log in to download your file. Okay, it is asking me to log in. So just keep my watch my video, and I will go to the any other email that is fake. I will use this email. Okay, to login. You can see I will login with my email that is a fake email. You can call. Hello. Now the option are showing. You can easily download file, AP file, BL file, CP file, CSC file, and app data file. That all you need to use here. Okay, it's still waiting. It is saying that your drive account is not enough space to add this file. Please clean it up. Okay, I will download the file from the browser or from the drive. There are a lot of options. You can choose them. Okay, my file is still in the download processing. And if you are getting any problem, any issue, you can comment on my video. I will follow your comment and make a tutorial guideline for you. Currently, you are seeing the my internet speed is very less. That is why I don't like this internet. Okay, on the file download fully, you can easily extract the file like I am doing. Extract the file here. Okay, it's showing me your error. No problem. I will extract this. You can choose the browser where you would like to extract the file. On the file extracted, you can follow this option. Okay, to choose the BL file. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you understand my guidelines. And if you are still facing any problem, any issue, you can directly comment on my video. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much.